Welcome back, everyone. All right, so let's take a look at another thing that you should probably know about video and audio control. So as you can see, what I've done here is I've just had a video control and an audio controls here, and you can go ahead and you can play those two if you want to. Now, the thing is that when you load a website, just like when you load any kind of content, you can tell the content to load, preload, or you can tell it to not load. All right, so the first thing here is let's go ahead and let's type in this video controls here, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in preload equals, and we're just going to go none, meaning what that means is that the video will not preload here. Now let's go ahead and let's add this into the audio as well. Preload equals and then none here, meaning that the audio will only load when you tell it to load, right? So it will load as soon as you play it, but when you refresh the website, it won't go ahead and load it. Now, the other one that you can do is when the page loads, you can just type in auto, meaning that when the page loads, the video will load as well. All right, and you can see here that sometimes the JSBin does kind of glitch out a bit, just because JSBin is a real-time renderer, meaning that it renders it in real time, and it doesn't quite resemble what you would get on a website. Remember, the JSBin is just for learning, and that's why there's a little bit of those glitches there. All right, and then the last one is the metadata. And so what this is that when the metadata loads, the video will load as well. All right, so if you want to preload it, you're more than welcome to. When it comes to preloading for the web, it is completely up to you whether you want to do that. It doesn't necessarily matter as much as you might think, but some people want the video to load before the rest of the content, and some people want the video to load while someone just clicks on it. That depends on how much you have on your screen. If you have a very simple website, then you can go ahead and maybe load it at the beginning, or if you want the page to load really fast, you can load it when the user clicks on it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.